This video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the online scam associated with the site Macorest.xyz. The website Macorest.xyz stands for a dangerous site. It actually targets Google Chrome, and it may affect all other browsers. It tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Macorest.xyz, don't trust them. I recommend you to urgently leave this page. Don't trust those fake alerts. I recommend you to additionally investigate your device with Combo Cleaner. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then once the software is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.